Alright everybody, welcome back to Twisted V-Twin Garage again. Here we are, thanks to Mater's Workshop. Haven't been to Harbor Tool in forever. And the wife says, hey, let's go to Harbor Tool. So I said, well, there's something I need to pick up so I can get these tractors done and get them out. Got me a new ring grinder. Went to Summit Racing, picked us up a new ring grinder, and it goes right on our workbench. Pretty cool setup. So thanks to Summit Racing, now we can grind the rings and get this done. Then we stopped down at Harbor. Well, got some new zip ties. Actually, I got 5 bags of zip ties from there. Then found this set right here for doing the valve springs in these motors. I've been needing a set, and the wife said, hey, you need it, get it. So now we can do the heads here. We don't have to count on sending them out to a machine shop. We can do it all right here. So that's going to be a big plus for the shop. And then she says, hey, you're running low on screwdrivers. She got this big set of screwdrivers. They were on sale. So 22-piece set. So that's going to come in handy for the shop. And then she says, thank you, Pullerbear Ed. She says, you got to have these. So these are supposed to be good for gas lines and all that. For, according to Pullerbear Ed's garage, the wife just felt that we needed them for our shop. So thank you, Ed. We got these. So just a little bit of tool haul, a little bit of look around on what's going on in the shop. We got this one and this one, and I still got a motor on the bench, and I got another motor back there on the floor. So y'all stay tuned, because we're going to be doing quite a few builds. The back's starting to get better. Haven't really got much wrenches turned and stuff. Hopefully we can get some videos shot, show you all the work, get some motors done so y'all can see and hear these motors running, and hopefully get out and get some videos of tractor pulling. But unfortunately, I will not be pulling this season due to my back. But I'm hoping that one of my boys will run our tractor to keep us in the field and the sport of the tractor pulling. So, you know, we'll just keep giving you updates on how everything's going. We haven't been shooting no videos or doing any work or anything, so we're trying to get back into the groove of it. And you guys stay tuned, watch as we go along here, and we're going to get some footage out and start working back in the shop. So thanks for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do, and leave us a comment. And big shout out, Mater's Workshop. Thanks for giving the wife the ideas, and I know you like that Harbor tool. And Pullerbear Ed, big shout out. Everybody check out Pullerbear Ed's garage. Got them awesome pliers that work great on gas lines, he says. The wife just felt we needed it for the shop. So hey, y'all stay tuned, stay safe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.